Market analysis. In this video, we're going to learn fundamental analysis, earnings, and quarterly earnings reports. Would you rather buy, invest in, an iPod or an iPhone? How about a CD player or a smart speaker like an Amazon Echo or a Google Nest? You probably answer that the iPhone and the smart speaker are the better investments because they're new products. But did you know that your demand for new products affects stock prices? Stock prices may fluctuate for several reasons, including the introduction of new products to the marketplace. Investors use a form of stock analysis called fundamental analysis to determine if a company's stock is a good investment. Fundamental analysis is assessing a company's financial history and earnings, as well as analyzing outside factors like demand, news, current events, etc., to determine if it is a good investment. Earnings is the profits that remain after subtracting a company's expenses from its revenue, money collected for products and services. Public companies must produce a quarterly earnings report once a quarter or 4 times a year for investors. Investors carefully read these reports and base their opinions about the value of a company on its current and projected possible future earnings. We've already looked at an example of how consumer demand for new products can affect a company's value and stock price. Other factors besides new products can drive demand, such as change of season, natural disasters, holidays, and more. Now let's use fundamental analysis to analyze 2 other companies and their value. Example 1. Toys for Everyone is a medium-sized toy company. The company's CEO has decided that the company is profitable enough to donate 1 toy to a child in need for every toy purchased at its stores. This new decision has given the company a lot of positive press from news outlets. How do you think the positive news coverage will affect the company's stock price? Take a few moments to write down your response. Toys for Everyone is an example of how a company's decision made the news, which may affect how the public values the company. Now let's use fundamental analysis to analyze another company's value. Billy's Burgers is a fast food chain. The company has been teasing the release of their new spicy veggie burger for months. When they finally added it to their menu, their competitor, Patrick's Patties, released a similar spicy veggie burger. Billy's Burgers' quarterly earnings report was published for investors, and it shows that their sales were lower than what the company and its investors were expecting with the release of their new product. How do you think the company's quarterly earnings report will affect the company's stock price? Take a few moments to write down your response. Billy's Burgers is an example of how a company's quarterly earnings report may affect how the public values the company. Questions to consider. List 2 factors you should consider when completing fundamental analysis on a company. Select a stock in your portfolio that is most likely to be influenced by the news and explain how current events may increase or decrease the value of that stock. Thanks for watching.